Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Twinkle and you're watching none other than Twinkling Star. So let's start our vlog with something positive. I have my cute journal with me and it's written over here, the secret of having it all is believing you already do.
0, 1. Let's get started.
Today is the weekend, so you know one aspect of adulting is to do grocery shopping. So today is that day. We are out of everything and we are running to grocery store to grab things. So to make this video a little bit more interesting, so I will do a comparison video. So we will compare the prices of Walmart and Freshco to see which one of them is having better prices and which one is like budget friendly. So let's go and see. We are at the Walmart right now. I'll introduce my brother to you guys. Prince, meet him. We both are going. Let's go. Guys, it's a fruit aisle. See the price of grapes, it's $6, and then strawberries of strawberries of $4.97. Let's go ahead. So guys, we are at the international food aisle. So Indian people, they eat this wheat flour. It's called ramata. Then we have rice here. The prices of rice are here. So one is of $18.97. We are taking this one, $12.58, and the price of drum atta, that's $18.47. So here are the lentils, masoor, dula, sabut. So these are all lentils. We took this one, red kidney beans. Prices of lentils are here, are like this. You can see $7.48 for this split black maple beans. And the stick beans are of $7.97. Then Indian tea, $11.47. Then we have juices here. Ginger garlic paste to make vegetable. It's of 5. Garlic paste is of $4.27, and this one Vedka, this brand paste is of $5.57. So here's the Indian biscuits. And you know, these are the biscuits that we used to eat a lot in our childhood. So first thing when we come for grocery shopping, we always come to the international aisle. and it's kind of nostalgia to see all the things that we used to eat in India. They have everything, snacks. Guys, this one is my favorite, coated peanuts. And the price of all of these are 97 cents. Each one is of $1. All the masalas are here. These are the masalas, guys, that give flavor to Indian foods. All of these. The prices are like this. Chili, Kashmiri chilies are of $4.27, red chili $4.77, then cumin coriander powder is of $4.47. Like this. My brother, he wants some of the snacks, so he's taking that. I go ahead to show you the prices and the aisles that they have. So here are all cereals. So all cereals, they comes like this: 3 for $10, 2 for $8, 2 packs of these one, 3 for 10 again, 3 for 10. Mostly it's like this, or if you want to buy individually, it's $4.97 each. They have oat milk here, and this one, small one, I think it's 947 ml. It's $2.97. Cardamom. Ketchup is off for $4.27. We need ketchup. So here are the sauces. Guys, this thing is very important in cooking. So canola oil, this is the oil that we use, and each one is of $8.77. So here are the Lay's. My brother, he already cooked one. It's a snacks aisle. Let's see what stuff they have here. They have Lay's, different flavors of them, and mostly all of them are of $2.97 each. Then here's the popcorns. Two of these 2 packs are for $8, and if you want to take each, it's of $5.46. Now there's a fridge. All frozen things are here. You can see the prices here. Guys, we take this thing. I'll take this one. I have eggs here. Normally we take this one, the big one. It's for $9.18. We take this $9.18 one and $6.98. The one there's 18 here, and in this they have 30. Now here's the yogurt. Yogurt 3 out of $9. 3 boxes. I'll take this. So here are the juices. Tropicana orange juice, 250 ml, and it's for $8.96. Starbucks coffee, $8.28. Guys, milk come in these packs here. 2% milk is of $6.25 right now, and 3% milk, it's of $7.25. So here are the ice creams. $5.44 each, and they have six drumsticks in one. So here are drumsticks, and here are bricks. Hi Prince. Hello. So guys, here are the bottles of mineral water. So they come in packaging. So this one, it's for, yeah, I think this is the price, $2.98 for all these bottles. We come to laundry section. Dishwash, it's of $3.27, and that detergents, it's of $11.97. Yeah, this one is the most popular, guys. People mostly use this here, or this one. It's expensive than this other one, Tide. Gain, it's of $19.27. Guys, Walmart is too big. They have clothes here.
This is girl section, women section, women class. So these tops, they are $15. Hoodies, PJs. This is something extra out today. But you know, guys, I like these two combinations, these pants with these blazers. The tomatoes is up to 24. Peppers, red pepper 424. And 294 for a tomato. Cauliflower it's for 398 a kilo.
So guys, we are done with grocery shopping from Walmart. We took few of the things that we think are budget friendly here. Let's do billing now.
Can I have layers under customer service, please? Layers under customer service, please.
Yes, we are done with our grocery shopping from Walmart. I was hungry, so I'm eating Lay's. Now we are going to Freshco to shop other stuff and to see the price difference there. Let's go. So guys, we are going to Freshco.
We came to Freshco.
Taking foil. Guys, these choco chips is for $3.99. We'll take pasta, 1 or 2. Rakhyani. Oh, so here are sauces for pastas, mayonnaise, all real mayonnaise.
Ginger garlic पेस्ट में कुछ लगा
Ketchups. Oh, finally. Oh god. Guys. This is the noodles that we used to eat a lot. And this is the only store that from where we get this one. We always take this Maggi noodles. But this one is rare to find, and we came after so long, so it's been a while that we didn't eat this one. Yeah, nostalgia.
दो अगला बाकी हो
Okay, I'll take 4. Okay, and we will keep few of them. चलो
चल
बड़ा हो गया Oh, I'll take Nutella. Come here. So guys, I'm taking this one and this. Take this one, $3.99. Just $7.39. It's valid till 26/10. We'll take this one. Oh, it's nice. Okay, let's go, guys. We are done. Guys, we are done with our grocery. Guys, this is Chalo Fresh. Chalo. Because mostly Indian people come here, so that's why for advertisement they put Chalo. It's a Punjabi word. Chalo. It's go. It means let's go. To Fresh Go. Yeah. So guys, we are done with our grocery shopping. So if I talk about the prices, it's same, almost same at the both stores, but we bought a lot of our items from Chalo Fresh Go because here it's like they have a lot of Indian stuff available there, so that's why. So see, we are just outside there and we are going back to our home. See you. I hope that you like the video. If you do remember to like, share and comment. See you in another. I hope that you like the video. If you do like, so do remember to like, share and comment. See you in another one. Meanwhile, take care. Bye bye.